Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Sharan here. Hopefully you had a great trading day. Now we are going to analyze the Nifty chart and try and understand what are the things happening. We'll also look at what happened today and then we'll also see certain trading plans for tomorrow. Alright, now let's begin. Now, if you see, the price was moving in what is called as a channel formation, right? We all know this is a channel formation. Here we saw that the channel was broken on Friday. So there was a high chance a lot of people would have taken negative positions in the market, or say bearish positions in the market. Now, what happened today eventually, that the price once opened down and immediately started moving up, all these call sellers, or the put buyers, started exiting. So you had a short covering in the morning, which eventually, if you see the 18,500 calls, you'll get to know that it was call buying happening, because basically call selling was converted into buying there. Now I'll just go into a smaller time frame which will make you understand that point. See here, right? So this is the place where the entire candles started moving in one side direction. So all these people who would have kind of sold their positions, ensuring that the price will go down, they would have started moving their positions back into the other side. Right now, once this happened, we'll also, before we go there, we'll just have a look at what all happened here. So there was a rising wedge that formed eventually at a level which was crucial, because it was yesterday's or Friday's high, right? So this was the range which was very important. The price eventually came over to that level and started reversing from there. So even through the day, if you see here, when the price came around this level, it started moving down. It came to this level, it started taking you can see here shooting stars being created. So 18,510 level, which is here, is an important level for me for tomorrow also, right? So I'm going to just mark and keep it here itself right now. Okay, we'll just put it here, color black. Yeah. So right. So this is an important level for us. Now here also, if you see it, kind of, you can say it formed a channel before it broke down, breakout हुआ. That's that's totally a different thing altogether. You can say this particular channel broke and we saw the momentum. That's fair enough, right? So again, if this is an important level for me, this also for tomorrow becomes an important level, right? Now this is where the price reversed, and as well as, most importantly, from the lowest point of the day, the prices have reversed. So these three levels for tomorrow for me becomes very important, right? Of course, we'll also see which other levels are important based on higher time frame, but as of now, these seem to be interesting for us, right? Let's move into in a daily time frame. From there we will start going. We should also understand that the price which reverses from here is basically your previous resistance. So your previous resistance may take as a support, right? So this level from where the price started moving and started making the all-time high, so this is an important level for us, right? So which we have already marked here. So this is going to be kept. Now we'll also have a look at what else is there. So we'll go in a shorter time frame to see if there is anything that we have missed out. Probably there is one thing that I can see that we have been missing out. One is this level. So we have one particular kind of level that is moving in this way, right? So there is this particular small channel momentum that I can see that the price is moving in a shorter time frame. Shorter time frame also here means 1 hour time frame at this point, right? So these are certain important levels that we have marked. Is there anything else we have missed out? Probably this level, right? That is where it started moving all the way. So I'm going to, is important, right? At this. Is there anything else we have missed out? No, doesn't seem to be. Let's go in a shorter time frame, right? No, I think we have more or less done it, everything, right? Now, what are the trading plans that we can do for tomorrow, right? We'll also look into that part of it. Now, if suppose tomorrow there is some news about India, China, so ensuring that nothing really bad happens there, we should see a normal market, right? If there is something bad, we'll obviously see a gap down, and then we figure out, okay, boss, price is reacting to the market news, right? So other than that, assuming that there is no news, and how would we go about doing it? Okay, now for example, this obviously becomes an important level for me. If tomorrow there is a flat opening here, the market opens flat here, right, and breaks this level of 18,500 level, we would like to go on a longer positions, because we have seen that there has been a massive resistance at this level which is being taken out, right? So once that is taken out, we will definitely go for a long position. If suppose the price opens around sorry, here and and does not cross this level, starts moving down, here this level is something where we can start selling our options beyond this level. So this is one thing that we can look at. Now setup number 3, right? We have spoken about 2 setups. So if suppose tomorrow the price opens at this level, which is around say 18,430 450 levels, and starts breaking down, our first initial targets will be around 340 levels, which is nothing but this important level that we have marked here, right? Even if that's the worst case scenario, we will see how that, if this particular channel that we have drawn will take support or not. So these are our important levels for tomorrow, right? And the way we are going to take a trade. Suppose there is a particular price that opens gap down tomorrow, I would eventually avoid taking a trade immediately, but yes, this should be our stop losses if tomorrow we are taking a short position once there is a gap down because of some news or whatever, right? So this level will act as an important level for my exiting my trades. So these are certain things about my trades. We'll also look at the open interest. Currently what has happened here is that we have at 18,500 and 400 we have kind of a good support, right? Sorry, this is today's 4 and 5, correct. So 18,500 and 18,400 we have good amount of puts being sold. That means people are positive here, but we can see overall a lot of call sellings also is taking place right from this 18,500. So as I told you, 18,500, which is our level here, right? So there is, both of them are fighting a tug of war, right? Whoever wins, the prices will move on that particular side. So if tomorrow the sellers put sellers win, the price will start eventually moving up very fast, because equal amount of pressure is there. Look at this, right? 6.3 million shares open interest on either side, right? Puts and calls. So there is very strong buyers here, right? At the same time, 18,600 level, which happens to be at this level, which is nothing but our channel breakdown level, right? So this is where a lot of sellers are sitting. So we will see how they will act. Now we'll also see put jo humne which we have marked here. Is there any good signs? As of now seems to be, but we'll see tomorrow how it. More or less today, if you see, a lot of put sellers have been added overall. If you see in this particular overall day, in the morning at 1:30, I guess around 1:30, you will see that a lot of put changes had gone into exiting their positions, covering their positions here. Now if you see here, this particular level 18,500 calls, if you see the calls and puts options started moving rapidly, right? So here is where we can figure out, right? Now these are my observations for tomorrow. Hopefully we have a great trading day tomorrow, and I wish you all the very best. See you on the other side. If I have missed out something, please do let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day.